Okay, paano na ipaliwanag ngayon ito ni BP Sara na lumalabas na ang binanggit ni former Senator Trillanes na mga pumapasok sa account niya na galing sa drug lord na si Sami Oy ay yun din na pumasok, mayroong record sa AMLAC. Okay, so paano na nito ngayon mapaliwanag na napatunayan na naman na may record sa AMLAC na base doon sa sinabi ni Senator Trillanes na pumasok galing sa isang drug lord? Yun ang tanong.
Binabanggit kasi dito, joint account with Rodrigo Duterte. Kasama po ba yun?
Madam Chair, in our report, our focus was on the transaction.
Okay.
So there are some accounts that were mentioned, but they are not identified on the basis of the personalities. So as we mentioned earlier, we're not really looking at the personalities. We're looking at the flow of money. So when we analyze, it's more on the money trail.
So in other words, kasama yung mga joint accounts with others.
There may be indicated, but we cannot say that all of them.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam
Thank you to
Chair,
the Honorable Dilima.
welcome. Madam
Honorable
Chair,
Delima, you may continue.
while waiting for the confirmation from the AMLAC on those entries that I indicated, I wish to ask questions on another matter.
This is also for Senator Trillanes.
For AMLAC po.
For AMLA. AMLC,
Executive Director,
Yes, ma'am.
doon po sa mga submissions nyo sa committee, meron mo ba kayong sinubmit na document na confidential information sharing?
Sorry.
The confidential information sharing?
Yes, Madam Chair. There is. It's the one flashed earlier.
The confidential information sharing. Ito po ba yung the document consisting of 15 pages
That is correct, Madam Chair.
and that the subjects of this confidential information sharing are subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, and subject number 2, Attorney Manasseh Reyes Carpio.
That is correct, Madam Chair.
Can we ask you, Mr. Executive Director, to read
please
for
speak
us?
closer to the microphone ko.
Can we ask you po to read for us
So yun nga ang tanong ko, paano maipaliwanag ni BP Sara itong mga naglabasang pinakitang ebidensya na sinabi ni Senator Trillanes na mga dokumento na pumasok sa account niya galing sa isang drug lord na si Sami Oy, na sa base dito sa report ng AMLAC, merong pumasok na the same amount pero hindi sinasabi saan galing, Nasa bangko, nakikita saang bangko pumasok, sa account niya, at kanino. So kay BP Sara pumasok yung account na yan na tukma din doon sa binanggit ni Senator Trillanes. So paano ipaliwanag o dapat niyang ipaliwanag? Kaya ba hindi siya humarap dahil nahihirapan siyang paano ito i-debunk niya? So siguro sa stage nito sa hearing ng Congress, she prefers not to answer this dahil mahirapan siya. So siguro mapilitan na lang siya talagang harapin pagdating na sa Senado. Pero at this stage, she is still seeking the decision of the Supreme Court to stop this impeachment hearing. Okay? So, nasa tingin ng mga legal luminaries, hindi dapat makisali ang Supreme Court na itigil dahil ang karapatan ng pagdinig ng impeachment ay nasa Kongreso. So siguro malamang ang gagawin kung maghimasok man ang Supreme Court, idadaan na naman ito sa mga teknikalidad pero hindi doon sa issue. So by that time, mukhang sa pananaw ng mga gustong malaman kung ano talaga ang nangyayari ay mukhang nakakagalit na. Pero sa pananaw ng mga taong ayaw magbukas ng isip kasi sarado na sila dahil di sila niniwala ng mga inakusa, sana marami pa din sa inyo ang mag-open ng utak, mag-isip para sa bayan. Hindi ka magiging one-sided. So, paano masabi natin para hindi ka one-sided? Makinig ka kung ano yung mga opinion ng iba at lalo na kung may proof. Di ba? At kung talagang walang basihan ito or talagang mapatunayan naman paano kaya napatunayan, yan ang problema ng BP kasi na mahirap kontrahin ang figure at mahirap kontrahin kung lalo na kung mapatunayan naman talaga na that this is really a clean record of the agencies of the government or of the agency in charge. Okay? So ang tanong, paano?
Paragraph 14 of that confidential information sharing under the caption derogatory records involving subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Can you please read for the record?
Based on records, derogatory records, number 14, VP Sara was the subject of suspicion in 27 confidential reports submitted by covered persons on 2 August 2024 to 29 January 2026, citing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses, graft and corrupt practices, and malversation of public funds and property. Drug trafficking and related offenses so triggered in connection with the House Quad Committee hearing on former President Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs, as well as by news reports alleging the involvement of VP Sara's husband in the 6.4 billion shabu importation in 2017. Graft and corrupt practices / malversation of public funds. There are in relation to news articles related to the impeachment case filed against VP Sara in 2025, as well as alleged misuse of confidential / intelligence funds.
Pwede po bang ma-flash din po yan sa screen?
Do we know what particular page is this?
Paragraph 14,
Page 6, Madam
page
Chair.
6 of 15.
Paragraph
14.
14, page 6.
So ito yung nasa record ng AMLAC na kinasangkutan ni BP Sara at saka yung asawa niya. BP Sara was the subject of suspicion in 27 confidential
So I deemed it proper.
reports. So yung mga yun,
So that's derogatory.
1,692.14. Mga ilan sa mga bank records na binabanggit. Ngayon po, at nakakailang banggit na po tayo na lumalabas ay tama.
At least similar transactions exist in
To be
the
selected.
AMLC report.
These are randomly selected
Yes.
entries.
Transactions were randomly selected by the Honorable Dilima, and she requested the confirmation of the AMLC whether or not similar transactions appear. And so far, 8 transactions have been confirmed already by the AMLC.
Maraming salamat po,
8
Madam
out
Chair,
of
for the
8.
clarification.
Are you ready to continue, AMLC?
Yes, but
So paano ito may paliwanag ng ating BP na ang mga sinasabi ni Trillanes na mga perang pumasok sa account niya galing sa isang drug lord na si Sammy Uy ay talagang nasa record din ng AMLAC. So linawin ko lang na ang nakalagay sa AMLAC ay yung mga transactions lang, hindi yung bank ano. Pero base doon sa pinakitang data, nakikita ko anong bangko ano. Okay, so paano mapaliwanag yan? Okay. So paano natin tayong mga nanonood nito at yung mga hindi nanonood, siguradong iba na naman ang sasabihin nito. Okay.